Hi there, this is Java Jim with First Line Equipment, and today we have Antonio Nurri from Nurri Espresso Machines. And we have their new dual boiler for the United States. We have a gauge here on top. We have a rotary vane pump here that you're going to do the manual pump pressure profiling. The motors here. We have our solenoid valve. We have our boiler on this side. This is your coffee boiler. The machines do have the panels that you can choose the different types of wood and also the portafilters. And which wood do we have here today?
Oh, we have the Zebrano wood, one of the best sold version, one of the best sold wood accents at the moment. There is also the olive and the walnut and oaks available.
Right, and we have the standard ones here today, but also there'll be the option to have the one with the hole on the side.
Yes.
With a knob, so
Yes.
you can do pressure profiling.
Right, you can manual pressure profiling.
Manual pressure
Yes.
profiling while you're doing the extraction.
Exactly, yes.
Okay, but today we're going to go over the standard one.
Yes.
And with the machine, there's typically these clips, and you will insert these with a 3mm Allen key wrench.
Yes, right. So it's very easy. You just, you can do screw like this.
So in the interest of saving time, we set up all the panels with the holders right there. There's 4 Allen key screws, 3mm to take off. So we'll just lift that up. We'll align the body panel here.
It's a magnet, two
and
magnets.
there's magnets, and basically lock in the top panel. And we basically put in the 4 Allen key screws on both sides. Make sure that it's properly locked, and that will hold the panels in place while you're using the machine. And that's pretty much the setup of the panels. Next, we will look out for our video on starting up the machine.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching. This is Java Jim with First Line Equipment and Antonio from Nurri. And if you have any questions, please ask down below. Follow us on social media. And not only that, but share to show that you care. Coffee first, everything else second.